Is a Macomb County pet store selling puppies they know are sick or dying and then ignoring the new pet owners when they reach out for help.
7 Action News reporter Kimberly Craig has the latest now in a court battle to shut them down.
This is the pet store in question, located on South Gratiot in Mount Clemens. And if you take a look at the front of the building, there's not even a commercial sign on the building. But what people say they're selling inside are sick puppies.
It's very heartbreaking. Yeah, she's been in and out of the hospital. So it's been tough.
Kim Miles is one of over 30 people suing Pollywood Pets, now going by the name of Little Dogs, a pet store the plaintiffs allege are selling sick and dying animals, leaving families heartbroken when the puppies die or flat broke trying to keep them alive.
These dogs, at least 4 of which passed away, were so sick they were bleeding from their eyes and rectums.
Attorney Jennifer Measle is representing the people who purchased puppies from the pet store, which up until earlier this year also operated out of the Gibraltar Trade Center. Dave Meyer says his ex-wife Shelley now runs the pet store.
Shelley is doing absolutely nothing wrong. She is the best at what she does, taking care of animals, puppies.
But in court today, Attorney Measle sought a permanent injunction to force the Meyers to stop acquiring and selling dogs, claiming breach of contract, fraud, and violation of the Consumer Protection Act.
Each and every single one of these animals contracted a disease, ailment, or some type of parasite that they were supposedly vaccinated against. So it's our position that that entire contract is void for fraud.
This is somewhat similar, albeit different goods, but if you buy defective stereo or a television from Best Buy, you don't file a lawsuit against Best Buy, you return the merchandise. And this is what these parties contracted and agreed to do by executing the purchase agreement, was to bring any dog that they had concerns with, for any reason, back to be treated by a licensed veterinarian.
They did go up there and told them they sold me a sick puppy, and they told me somebody would get back to me, and nobody ever called me.
Later this week, a day will be set for the judge in the case to hear testimony from the owners of these pets and make a decision on whether this pet store business will be closed for good.
To have to go through a constant daily struggle of living with a sick animal or losing that animal is something that they don't want anyone else to go through.
In Mount Clemens, Kimberly Craig, 7 Action News.